Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Vivoactive 5 to Strava. First, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Navigate to the More menu, usually found in the bottom right corner, and select Settings. From there, tap on Connected Apps and then choose Strava. This initiates the linking process, allowing your activity data to flow seamlessly between platforms. Ensure both apps are updated to their latest versions for the best experience. Next, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. This step is crucial as it grants permission for Garmin Connect to share your activity data, such as runs, rides, and swims, with Strava. You'll typically see a screen detailing the types of data that will be transferred. Review these permissions carefully, then tap Authorize or Agree to proceed. This secure handshake ensures your fitness journey is accurately reflected across both platforms within a few moments. Once authorized, it's important to verify the connection. Open your Strava app and check your activity feed. Any recent activities recorded on your Garmin Vivoactive 5 should appear there, usually within 1 to 2 minutes. If you don't see them, try refreshing the Strava feed or checking the Upload section in Garmin Connect. Sometimes, a quick resync or ensuring a stable internet connection can resolve minor delays, ensuring all your hard work is logged. With the connection established, all future activities recorded on your Garmin Vivoactive 5 will automatically sync to Strava. There's no need to manually upload each time. Remember to periodically check your privacy settings within both Garmin Connect and Strava to control who sees your activities. You can adjust these settings to everyone, followers, or only you for each activity, giving you complete control over your shared fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.